Kawadhi nyimeni jakom komiti mar thieth riwruo Gavana sama bende en Gavana Matharaka Nitie mano Muthomi Njuki wacho ni nitiere lakteche majwango tijegi e osiptende kendo olokore semo jotuo mondo odhi e osiptende mag ji giwegi. E limbe mare mar ng'iyo dongruok lakteche osiptal ma Chuka level 5, Njuki ofwenyo ni lakteche moko ok donje tich. Okwayo riwruog lakteche mondo luw wachni komedo ni ok giluor kawo chik ne lakteche ma ok ti kaka owinjore.
But it has become so uncontrolled and so bad that they spend only an eighth of their time here in the hospitals, and the rest of the time, which is 7 over 8, is spent in their private practice. Yet you're paid non-practicing allowance. We even pay 3 years allowance. And when a doctor is on call, they are also paid emergency allowance for coming to attend to our patients. So our hospitals have almost become ghost because of this referral system. And I want to tell the people who are listening to me of Tharaka-Nithi, we are putting measures in place, and I want a system put in place so that our people know where to complain. If a doctor refers you to their clinic and you go and find out that the same doctor was seeing you here, sent you there, within confidentiality, you need to